Ikaw na lang magbabangka, ha? Bakit may mga palaka? Hello? Oh my gosh, ano yun? Ano yun? Uy,
Sako!
bakit parang may nasasapian? Hello? Parang hindi tayo makakapag-review ng kanta dito. Puro lang nagtatawanan. Sino? Mag-mute ka muna, mag-mute ka muna. Alam mo, si Sheena lang yung basag. Bebe! You're basag!
Bebe,
Bebe!
sira cellphone mo, sira. Bebe, sira.
Tanggalin mo yung effects, Sheena.
Hello?
Hello?
Yung kay Sheena lang yung basag.
May effect yan! Anak niya si Miar! Anak ako siya ni Juicy!
Uy! Sheena!
Mag-mute ka, Bebe!
Hello?
Bebe, mute!
Hello? Hello?
Hello? Hello, ay, narinig kaya.
Narinig ka, narinig
Ba't
ka.
di ko marinig sarili ko?
Ate Aya, para kayo nasa banyo. Hindi talaga
Guys, yung
maririnig
cup ko
sarili.
nasa van, pakuha na lang. Pagbigay na lang bukas.
Mika! Mika, rinig ka!
Oh my God! Patanggalin si Mika.
Ano?
Oh my God. Pwede mo si Mika?
Ano?
Mika!
Ano?
I-block mo na si Mika, i-block. Mika, rinig ka! Mika, Lim!
Tawagan.
Sabi ko nga, Hoy, Bini, rinig niyo ako? Rinig niyo ako, di ba?
Mute
Yung
ka,
cup
Mika!
ko na nasa van, pakibigay na bukas.
Anong naiwan mo? Sheena, wait lang. Ano naiwan mo, Mix? Nag-mute na siya. Guys, posible ba to?
Ay, yun parang daga.
Oh my God.
Yun.
Hello, connection lost.
Hello?
Okay.
Hello? Naririnig niyo ako?
Yes. Oh.
Okay, blooms everyone na nandito sa space. Yes! Ayan, oh, 'di ba? Si Bebe lang pala ang talagang ano. So meron na lang tayong ilang minutes to go. Ayan na, mare-release na ang Biniverse EP, so kailangan na natin ano to, okay? Hello?
Rinig ka namin, Jo. Rinig ka
Okay.
namin. Okay.
So ngayon, dadaanan natin lahat ng stops ng Biniverse. So papakinggan natin lahat ng songs.
Ilang stop
Ilang
to, Jo?
Ilang stops? Mga ano?
Pwede umihi sa isang stop?
Masaya ka ngayon, no, Tikalet? So, ayan. So, we have 13 minutes left bago ma-release lahat. Tapos, magre-react tayo sa mga songs. Basta bawat paano natin, magre-react tayo Tsaka magbibigay tayo ng ng mga fun facts.
Baliw. Baliw ka.
Magbibigay tayo ng mga fun facts about each song. Basta kwentuhan lang to, guys. No pressure. Basta, yes, zero pressure. Okay?
Okay.
Actually, Blooms, yung iba pauwi pa lang kasi galing kaming shoot.
Yeah.
So, nasa van pa yung iba.
Wala ka ba sa van?
Wala na, nakauwi na ako. Kakauwi ko lang.
Ang bilis mo naman!
Yes, ma'am.
Oo nga. Okay.
Ang bilis mo!
Ano yun?
What's that?
Gwen, Renee, may kakol ka ba?
Ano yun?
Ano yun?
May stako. Ayan,
Ako,
no?
gusto ako.
Stacy Sabilleja.
Wala, nasa CR. Tako, masakit ba dyan mo?
Stako. Grabe. Kinain mo?
Parang isang taon yun walang CR.
Grabe. Parang sniper eh. Easy.
Grabe!
Ano bang gagawin natin? Ba't kayo na
Stacy.
Nakakasuka.
Stacy.
Ay, talaga naman. Ay, magpaawat naman.
Uy, nagsasalita si Joanna.
Ma'am?
Mute. Mute.
Yes,
Go, Jo.
ma'am. Yes, last 10 minutes. May comments ba dito na pwede nating makita? Ayan. First time natin
Baka pindutin mo lang yung hashtag whatever.
First time pala natin maganto, no?
Hindi daw
Blooms,
nila
gamit...
mapapakinggan ng maayos yung EP kasi ang gulo daw natin.
Hindi, behave na kami mamaya.
Kala mo
Ano ba yun?
Guys, maglagay kayo ng tags pag magti-tweet kayo.
Okay. Si Stacy na naman.
Parang online class.
Para siyang may para siyang may DJ na app.
Nawawala pala si Aya. Kulang tayo ng isa.
Where is Ate Aya?
Asan to?
Ano ba yun? Stop. Grabe. Ang galang ni Sako. She's unstoppable.
Naka-speaker ka ba? Pwede kayong na kayo pipindot kung mag-on yung mic or hindi. Kasi naka-off ako eh. Tapos in-on bigla.
May multo na gawa ng Grabe. Sako kadiri! Ano ba yan? Parang, ewan na.
Hello? Yes, hello. Okay.
Sako!
Naririnig ka namin, Aya.
Ate Aya?
Mhm.
Ate Aya?
Ayun.
Hi.
Hello.
Hi. Hi.
Sista ko ba yun or sound effects lang din? Sound effects lang yun. May ubo pa si Stako.
Stako. Ang sakit sa tenga. Stako. Stako, please.
Ang tagal. Anong oras ba i-release? Anong oras? BDPH, mag-on ka ng mic.
BDPH, speak your truth.
Anong oras? Hello? Hello? Yes.
BDPH, magsalita
Sabog ba ako? Hindi.
Hindi! Oo, sabog ka, sabog!
Sabog? Universe EP sabog. Okay na. Paano yan? Sino nagtanong ng paano yan? Si Jo? Ayan, DJ? Naging listener na lang si Jo. Wala lagi nag-speaker si Jo. Paano yan?
Guys,
Sa
end
ano?
ko na
Sa
tong call, ah.
effects?
End call ko na, Box.
Sa
End call
baba,
ko
Ate
na.
Aya. Sa tabi ng mic. Oh, soundboard.
Box. End call ko na.
Pindutin mo lang kahit ano.
Ay, end call ko na to! End call ko na! End call ko na to!
Hello?
Hello? Hello? End call ko na. Bye-bye. Ba't ko naman nasalita? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Nawala na si Stock. Ay, sino ba nawala? Ay, ito, si Joanna.
Sabi ko,
Buang na. Si Tina nawala. Ang daming baka. Baka ba yun? Kalabaw. Anong pinagkaiba nila?
Kulay.
Nasa farm ka ba, Stats?
Nahihilo na ako. Grabe. Stop it, please. Stop it, please. Colette, pick up line daw. Mag-pick up line ka.
Wala. Nahihilo na din ako.
Meron yan. Mag-pick up line ka. Yung what's on top of your mind.
Wait lang, wala na akong mind eh. Mag-isip mo lang ako.
Meron yan. Okay, last 3 minutes. Colette, pick up line ka.
Te, magkatabi lang tayo, te. Teka lang.
Yay.
Hi, Bloom.
Hello. Meron ng 31,750.
Alam ko na, meron na akong ano,
Ano?
may nabasa na ako. Anong issue mahirap iwasan?
Ano?
I miss you.
I miss you too.
Makulit na yan. Sabi bay.
Hello, rinig ba ako?
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
kakauwi
Kaya
ko
mo
lang.
naman pala magsalita, be.
Kakauwi ko lang. Tatanggal muna akong makeup. Bye.
Bay.
Ako may pick-up line.
Ano?
Damo ka ba?
Ano?
Damo ka ba?
Bakit?
Ang ganda mo.
Ako, meron akong knock-knock.
Ano?
Knock-knock.
Who's there?
Nagla.
Nagla. Who? Nagla who? Ouch. Ouch. Joke lang. Nawala ako.
Hello?
Nawala si Kulit. Totoong naglaho siya. Bumalik ka na, please!
Hello?
Hello.
Anong oras ba? Nasusuka na ako eh.
9 na eh.
Nasusuka na ako sa sasakyan. Grabe yung biyahe.
Pag ako nag-on ng speaker, nag-feedback.
Anong tawag dyan? Ibabaan ko yung volume ko.
Hindi na.
Okay. Here. Alis muna ako. Akit ako eh.
Hello?
Hello, yes.
Yun na.
Meron na?
Tumutunog na ba?
Tuloy pala?
So, eto na.
Ayan
Start
na.
muna tayo sa Blink Twice. As the ate of of this EP. Okay, let's play it. Blink Twice.
Ang lakas.
Ma'am?
Ay, wala pa.
Ma'am?
Saan?
Sobrang munye.
Sobrang Latin.
Sobrang munye.
Sobrang Laguna.
Ano ba to? Kanya-kanya ba tayo makikinig?
Hindi ko alam eh.
Hello?
Um, how to play.
Parang ang saya nito.
Baliw! Tayo lang magpe-play. Wait lang. Ako na magpe-play. Sorry, Bloom
Ah,
Sapsens.
sabi ko na nga ba eh, tayo magpe-play. Ah,
Okay? Are you ready?
oh, tara na.
Go.
Wait, wait, wait. Wait, wait, wait. Mm. Okay, Blink Twice muna. Sorry, tapos na agad. Naririnig niyo ako? Naririnig niyo ako, ma'am?
Oo, Joanna, oo, rinig ka.
I heard you like confidence. Well, I've got a lot of it. So, baby, it's common sense. Just don't be anonymous. I heard that you've been busy, yeah, I heard it through the grapevine. Trying my best not to step up on your landmine. Let's have some fun with it, cause you know I'm running it. Ooh, I'm lost inside your world, you got that symphony. Like that-oo, that-oo, that-oo. If you like me, blink twice. Are you naughty or nice? Maybe add a little spice if you tryna roll the dice. Let me give you some advice. If you like me, blink twice. He's not even thinking about me. Baby, he's just looking at me. Crazy, baby, no, don't be lazy. Come up, amaze me. I'm at the spot, baby, tell me, are you ready or not? Don't you leave me waiting. I'm lost inside your world, you got that symphony. Like that-oo, that-oo, that-oo. If you like me, blink twice. Are you naughty or nice? Maybe add a little spice if you're trying to roll the dice. Let me give you some advice. If you like me, blink twice. He's not even thinking of me. Maybe he's just looking at me. You really like me, baby. Then just blink twice. If you really like me, then you gotta roll the dice. If you like me, blink twice. Are you naughty or nice? Maybe add a little spice if you're trying to roll the dice.
Ate Aya,
Give me
mute
some
ka.
advice. If you like me, blink twice. He's not even thinking about me. Maybe he's just looking at me. He's not even thinking about me. Maybe he's just looking at me. Maybe he's just looking at me.
Okay, comments! Ano bang fun fact natin nung nire-record natin 'to? So, nire-record namin 'to 2 days. Ay, yung MV pala. Wait lang, sa recording pala. Ni-record namin 'to sa LA Blooms, matagal na, like last year pa nung ano kami, while ginagawa namin yung before namin gawin yung Canada na concert namin. So, ni-record na namin siya sa LA. Tapos, yes! Parang yun yung pinakamalaking recording studio na napag-recordan ko nung nag-record kami ng Blink Twice. Right, girlies?
Yeah.
Ate Aya!
Puwede ba sabihin yung ano? Ay, hindi na natin sabihin yung artist, pero gusto yan ng isang artist.
Yung
International artist. Itong Blink Twice.
ano pwedeng sabihin? Yung alin,
Yung
sorry?
pangalan. Wag na, wag na.
Ng So, ano pa ba mga fun fact natin?
Yun, doon
Nag-recording
natin na-meet
tayo
si,
doon. Doon
ano,
natin
si
na-meet
si J Park tsaka si Agnes mo.
si J Park. Yes. And speaking of J Park, ang next nating papakinggan, siya yung collab natin sa song na 'to. Eto personal favorite ko, kayo ba?
No. Iba yung favorite ko.
Okay. Okay, so ako, ito personal favorite ko. Let's play it. Secrets. Feet. J Park.
Something's up, I can see it written on your face. What's it now? What you thinking? Wondering why you can't let it go. Lately you can get it off your mind. Don't know what you feel, it's not enough. You can talk to me, we can work this out. Oh, I don't seem to get you. Oh, are you hiding something from me, baby? Oh, oh. Tell me what's in me now. Tell me what's in me now. Oh, I wanna show you this again. Tell me all your secrets. Promise I will keep them. Just trust me, you can trust me, boy. Speak, let me hear your voice. Tell me all your secrets. Promise I will keep them. Let me trust me, boy. Make me make some noise. I see it troubling you. I see it's laying you up. See what that you do with it. You want. Gonna hold inside. Don't stay tired. Never let words slide. Is it all because of the past that you had? Is it why you cannot talk to me? Just can't think of no reasons. Just to let you know you're back for me. I don't seem to catch you out. Are you hiding something from me, baby? Oh, tell me to me now. Tell me to me now. I wanna show you that you can. Tell me all your secrets. Promise I will keep them. Just trust me, boy. Speak your voice. Tell me all your secrets. Promise I will keep them. I'm not playing, trust me, boy. Your friend, we make some noise.
Ate Aya, mute.
Tell me. Is it something about me? Have I done something lately? Did I say anything to make you feel this way? Just know that with me by your side, don't need to worry. You don't have to lie. Tell me all your secrets. Promise I will keep them. Just know you can trust me if you're wrong. You can call me. Tell me all your secrets. Promise I will keep them. You know you can trust me. I'm not lying. You can count me on. The sun and look at you. That's a limitation. Tell me, boy. Tell me. Tell me, tell me, boy.
Yeah!
Ako na mauna, fun fact. Ako
Comments.
na mauna.
Go.
Kasi nasa condo na kami, mag-e-end lang ako. Alam ko
Go.
na. Paus ako nung nirecord yan. Paus nga ako niyan. As in, grabe, pagka-paus ko niyan. Yun
Di
lang.
mahalata. Di mahalata.
Mag-leave lang kami ni Gwen saglit kasi darating na kami.
Okay.
Hindi yung kumanta nung
Kayo
pangatlo,
girls,
ang galing.
may fun facts kayo?
Jo.
Sino?
Ang galing,
Ikaw?
no?
Kaya nga parang grabe main vocalist talaga ang atake. Can opener.
Hindi ako yung mag-open dyan.
Nagto-toothbrush ka ba?
Oo.
Hoy! Rinig na rinig!
Fun fact. Ako na ba? Magsasalita ba ako?
Go.
Fun
Go
fact
lang.
is, dapat hindi siya collab. Tama ba ako? Ay, di ko alam. Parang, dapat collab siya, tas naging Beanie lang, tas naging collab ulit. Tama ba ako? Di ba tama ako? Nag-lag ba ako?
Yeah.
Ay, okay.
Yeah. So, ni-record namin 'tong song na 'to, hindi kami sabay ni Jay Park. So, nauna namin siyang i-record lahat muna. Tapos separate siyang basta hindi kami sabay nag-record. Pero ang galing 'no, para tayong nag-match yung mga votes naman in fair. So, nung na-meet namin si Jay Park, nung na-meet namin siya very siya, bibigay siya ng advices, gano'n. Since galing nga din siya sa group. Yung iba,
Ako
may
may fun
sasabihin kayo
fact
pa
ako. May
for
fun
this
fact
song?
ako. Jo,
Ano? Ano?
yung
Ano?
isang song niya, nasa playlist ko, ang galing. Search nyo guys, Drum and Butterfly.
Search nyo daw, Blooms.
Ba't parang galit ka?
Hoy, wala! Baliw! Okay, next naman. Eto, etong Zero Pressure naman, kung mapapansin nyo, sa teaser, parang medyo siya, no, bago sa BINI, very siya, medyo fierce yung atake niya. May choreo na kami dito, di pa lang namin tapos, pero yes, let's play it! Woo!
Heaven knows the force of nature coming like a hurricane. I'll take it down without a chaser. Everybody knows my name. It ain't about the same. I wanna be the number for the way the world gon' change. Yes, I got fire. You know you won't catch me holding on so miracle. Baby, I'm always thinking of you. You know I'm gonna give it to you. Gotta grab it before it goes. Even if it falls from rules, I'm never giving to you. Ain't about the same. I wanna be the number so the way the world gon' change. I got fire. No, you won't catch me holding on for a miracle. Baby, I'm always thinking of miracle. Zero, zero, no, you won't catch me holding on for a miracle. Baby, I'm always thinking of miracle.
Yeah! Mas gumanda siya nung no, nung na-release na. Any
Oo.
comments?
Bakit tayo lang dalawa yung nagsasalita?
Hi!
Baka hindi,
Hello!
baka
Hello. Baka pauwi ng iba eh.
Okay,
Baka
I'll
umaapak
speak.
sa
Okay.
elevator.
I'll speak.
Go, speak.
Okay, go, bebe.
So, I love Zero Pressure. Thank you. No, I like it. Tas, maganda rin yung choreo. So, I'm excited to perform it live.
Parang for
Okay.
me, ito yung Dua Lipa
Yes.
vibes na song.
Yeah!
True.
Dua Lipa, Mika.
I'm here, I'm here. Guys, buhay na ulit ako. Magtatanggal lang ako ng makeup.
Ate Colette,
Ano pa? Ano
Yes,
pang
why?
comment ka
ano
muna sa
pang
Zero
fun fact
Pressure.
natin? Si Ate Aya ba paakyat na nakauwi na ba si Ate
Zero
Aya?
pressure. Hindi ginalingan ni Joanna yung isang line.
Baliw! Baliw ka.
Pwede mo sabi ko na.
Parang may mali.
Hello?
Anong mali?
Ayan na si Ate
Sa,
Aya.
sa,
Narinig ako
sa
kanina.
song.
Yes, yes, yes.
Oo, kanina.
Hindi. Ngayon lang.
Ay,
Naririnig siya kanina. Bigla-bigla kang nag-on ng mic.
Yung soundboard.
Ah, okay.
Hello? Hello?
hello.
Yeah.
Naririnig niyo ako? Yep.
Yes.
Yes, I'm alive. Hello.
May comments kayo or may fun fact kayo sa Zero
Yan,
Pressure?
favorite ko.
It's giving Dua Lipa vibes.
Oh, yeah.
It's no,
Favorite ko yan.
different attack ng Beanie. Maganda yung song. I like it.
True. Yeah, and the meaning din. Maganda yung meaning niya. Maganda yung choreo, guys. Abangan nyo yung choreo nito.
True, true, true.
Okay, are we
Joanna.
ready for our next song?
Jo,
Yes?
plinay mo ba yung from Spotify?
Hindi.
Kaya pala.
Wait, oh. Okay. Gets.
Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
So, next song, Out of My Head.
Oh my God, I love this song.
Okay.
But,
Mamaya na.
Okay, shut your mouth. Shut your mouth.
Later.
Okay, let's play it.
Let's go. Stepped out of a movie scene. Feels like you are my wildest dreams. I'll be the queen and you'll be the knight. But don't you think I'll take me out on the fantasy? Believe in the greatest dreams. I guess the spell and you do the crime. A match more perfect than Take up, the clock is ticking. Don't think too much. It's just a simple question. To fall, to fall. Fall in love. Out of my, out of my head. Can't seem to find.
Gwen, mute.
No one to go. Heart of control. Don't walk away. Sometimes it's scary, it's worth all the pain. Get some stone, but then that diamonds, I'll be the queen of Oliver Allen's. Yeah, you should be calm. Be tough, can do no wrong. Don't overthink, don't stand to be. Listen when you're off the list. Time to figure things out. Treat it like they want you to know that the crowd. Be the rose of the story. Might be known as the devil. Interesting. You know, since you just walked in. Tick tock, the clock is ticking. Don't think too much. Don't think too much. It's just a simple question. To walk, walk. Out of my, out of my can't seem to find, can't seem to find the better. I know which way to go. I was waiting to go. Can't help how you race through my mind. Saw my dreams were sweetest desires. Didn't think so love this way. It's crazy how you make me say out of my head. Can't seem to find, can't seem to find the pattern.
Okay. Yung nagsulat nitong Out of My Head, siya din yung nagsulat ng Golden Arrow sa Ate Sab.
Favorite ko din tong kantang to. Gusto ko yung harmonies niya.
Yes. And parang ito yung maririnig mo sa ano, Boracay, LU, no? Yung mga...
Party.
Oh, very party, ano. Pang acquaintance party, ganun.
Ganda ng rap nito. Ganda ng rap. Tsaka ng chorus.
Mix,
True.
sorry, out of topic, Mix.
Mm.
Dalan mo ko pimple pa.
Ako rin, Mix. Mix, padala
Thank
ko,
you.
Mix.
Mix ako rin, Mix!
Okay.
Mix na lang
Okay, back to topic tayo,
Anyways,
guys,
anyways.
no?
Sa Out of My ng rap, tsaka ganda din ng pang road trip vibes.
True.
Ganda rin ng
Actually,
adlibs nito.
dati sinasabi ko Secrets yung favorite song ko. Binabawi ko na Out of My Head na talaga.
Yes, ma'am. Okay. May hindi pa tayo napakinggan?
Yung Beanie Mo remix.
Oh, yeah.
Hindi pa
Okay.
pakinggan yung ibang version ng Eme.
So, next naman natin ay Cherry on Top. Eto, ang ganda rin, no? Nung ano, nalagyan ng ano, Agnes Mo. Eto din, Blooms,
Yes.
nung na-record namin
Tatanggal ang
tong
lyrics
ano,
mo.
nung na-record namin tong Cherry on Top with ano, hindi rin namin kasama si Agnes Mo. Pero grabe, sobrang bait niya sa personal. Na-meet namin siya nung nag-record kami ng Blink Twice sa LA. Sobrang ganda niya, sobrang bango niya, sobrang galing niya, sobrang ganda ng boses niya
Kahit
talaga.
nung interview, naalala mo dyan, nag-interview tayo in-interview tayo sa TikTok.
Oo.
Genuine siya.
Tsaka grabe siya sumagot,
Mm-mm.
no? As in, ang grabe, grabe. Pangarap ko yung ganung sagutan niya na ano, very on point and mahaba.
Talo si Aya doon.
Oo, dapat mag-one-on-one sila ni Ate Aya. Okay, eto na. Cherry on Top, Beanie Mo remix.
Pero parang may ibang boses yun.
My presence is a prison. Talking French like
Oh my gosh, ano nangyari? Sorry, kumunik sa speaker sa labas. Nag-open sila ng speaker sa labas. Isa pa, sorry.
my presence is a prison. Talking French like you do. Know you got a little candy crush. Be careful 'cause you never get enough. Every day celebrate you with me. Every day it's your birthday on repeat, birthday on repeat. If you want it sweet, sugar on love. If you want it spice, I can turn the heat up. Baby, I'm the kind and I know what you got. The cherry on top, cherry on top. Honey, on repeat, got you buzzing on me. Sticky, sticky, sweet, frosty as it can be. Baby, I'm the kind and I know what you got. The cherry on top. I got you making a wish. Ribbons and bows on my gift. Rimming on my cherry lips. Yummy, yummy, yummy. There's something for ya. I got what you like. A little something for ya. Mama,
What?
cherry, kiss so berry, cotton candy. Let's take a trip and drive my own, just so fancy. You can deny, no, you can deny. On the cherry on top, cherry on top. Sa aking tininiwala mo, di ko papansinin. Nakaabang bawat gala ko, magsasaya at magsasaya. Sumabay ka sa iba, balay kumikis na. Lahat malinaw lang, hindi ako tulad ng iba. Celebrate you with me. Every day, got your birthday on repeat, birthday on repeat. If you want it sweet, sugar on life. If you want it spice, I can turn the heat up. I don't know what you got. Cherry on top, cherry on top. Repeat, cause you're buzzing around me. Sick it, sweet, see as I can be. I don't know what you got. Cherry on top, cherry on top. See, she, I, ingredients are hard to find. See, she, there's no going back now once you try. If you want it sweet, sugar. If you want it spice, it's turn the heat up. I don't know what you got. The cherry on top, cherry on top. Cherry on repeat, got you buzzing around me. Sticky, sticky, sweet as a candy. I don't know what you got. The cherry on top, cherry on top. H-E-R-R-Y. Good ingredients are hard to find.
Bam! Sobrang
Last song na yan.
Yes! Last song. C-H-E-R-R-Y. Grabe no, I mean for this EP, very talaga nag-explore talaga tayo. May naka-collab tayo na Indonesian singer, American, Korean na singer din ni J Park.
True, true.
Yeah. Malay nyo next EP, malay nyo, ano na, Blackpink.
Manifest.
Oo, Manifest. Sino yung nagsalitang yun?
Ako.
Yeah. Kabos mo sa Ate Ayad mo.
Ay!
Yes! Ay! Any final message?
Shucks!
Yes, that's it, Blooms.
Thank you, Blooms.
Thank you sa pagsama sa amin. And, ayun, sana nagustuhan nyo yung EP namin. And stream nyo, guys, yung Biniverse EP. Yung MV din, guys. Marami ako nakikitang comments kanina. Sabi dun sa lyric video ng Blink Twice, bakit daw yun lang, walang MV? Yung, baka hindi pa nila napapanood yung MV. So, ayun po sa mga hindi pa po nakapanood ng MV, meron pong MV ang Blink Twice. Watch nyo po. May message pa kayo?
Naubos yung energy kanina. Sobrang,
Thank you, Bloom, sa pakikinig.
Thank you, Bloom.
Good night, and
night.
stream.
Good
Night.
Good night, guys.
Yes.
Mix! Oh, wala pala si Mika. Beautiful pa. Hello?